Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another update, another review. So we are back at the Kingston 876 commercial development. First of all, if you're new to the channel, if you have watched a few videos or this is the first video you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe, support the channel, join the family. Also turn on your post notification bell, so once I do a new upload, you guys will be notified as well. Remember to like the video and share the video. Leave a comment as well. All that will help the video to spread on YouTube and help the channel to grow as well. So I did a previous video on this area. I put some of those links in the description and in the comments. What we're taking a look at today, they're doing some work over here. So we know previously this was entirely a swampland. It was all swamp, all water, especially when rain falls. They have done a lot of dumping up of the land to, take away some of the water, some of the swamp area, some of the mosquito breeding. And after the heavy rains, there's quite a bit of water again in some areas, so they seem to be doing some more dumping up. I'm not sure if these areas, if these are new developments or they're just basically dumping up the land. So loads and loads of dirt have been coming in. So trucks have been taking multiple trips over here, and as you can see, the dirt is over there, and then they'll have a tractor spreading it out. So I think this is part of this is to alleviate the swamp, alleviate the water settling while developers still come in. Over this side behind me doesn't seem that swampy. We see less water over there. We know the Mandela Highway is just over there. So this is a great location, very prime for development. A few businesses are already coming in. Tropical Battery, Raymore Trading, that big factory down there. Huge complex. That's Raymore Trading. They're a distributor of food and other items. They actually have 2 warehouses. So some great developments happening in this area, and I'm sure more to come. There's also news of Amazon. Yes, that's Amazon.com. There's news of them setting up a factory out this side as a commercial logistic hub. I am not sure if this factory that I've highlighted that's under construction, if that is the Amazon warehouse. But I guess in due time, soon enough, we'll know if that is the Amazon warehouse that's being developed or it's not yet started. I think that coming here will be, a tremendous investment when it comes to opportunities and jobs, from delivery drivers to logistics to admin to factory workers. That would be a great move by Amazon. So this factory started about 3 to 6 months ago. They're moving pretty fast. So it's a warehouse complex. Not sure who's the tenant as yet. Did some checks, haven't gotten any info. But if you guys know which tenant is going there, if you guys know if that's the Amazon complex, just let me know in the comment section. So it's just a quick update, guys, because I've done quite a few videos on this complex, the Kingston 876 commercial development, commercial complex. So I'm just keeping you guys updated. Once there's a new once there's a new activity, I'll keep you guys updated. And we'll see how this space gets transformed from a wasteland, from a swampland, to a mega commercial complex. I'm sure these houses up in the hills, up in Plantation Heights, have some great views of the area as well. Alright, so guys, remember to leave your comments. Let's start a discussion around this area. This is outside of this, the hustle and bustle of Kingston. It's outside of the Spanish Town Road industrial area, so this would be a little extension. Great roads through Mandela, great roads and sidewalks over here as well. So this is a very good location for some huge factory complexes, huge warehouse complexes. We know the city is already packed up, and this is not too far from the city. So let's start a discussion in the comments, guys. Let me know what you think, and share your thoughts as well. So thanks for clicking on this video. What I'm going to end the video on is just to show you guys a quick glimpse of the factory complex, a little closer look, just to see the pace of work and how fast they're moving. So stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll continue showing updates of this complex. Alright guys, so a little closer look at the warehouse complex being developed. To me, they're moving very fast. I know it's a lot of steel work and a lot of prefabricated material, so it's much faster than probably an apartment complex, and then you don't have that much partition. It's a lot of big spaces, so they will move fast, and I think they are. It's a mixture of Chinese workers and Jamaican workers as well. Alright, so that's the factory complex out here, just off the ferry, just off the Nelson Mandela Highway, in the Kingston 876 Commercial Development Park, a multi-million-dollar development initiative. And this is a factory currently being constructed. We know Amazon, we have seen news where Amazon wants to develop a factory / warehouse out here as well. Not sure if this is it, but the more of these places come, is the more job opportunities, the more employment, more growth in the economy. So I'm always happy to see these places. That's the call center as well. That's basically almost finished. Right beside it, and then Nestle is around this side. Now you may not see that clearly because of the sun, but that's the Nestle factory, or Nestle distribution center. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another video.